EPWP, labor-intensive construction of L1756. For many years, access to the Mzimba Primary School and the Emzamweni High School outside of Pietermaritzburg was a nightmare for the 1,600 school children and teachers, arriving in classes either covered in dust or full of mud. For the 52-odd household of Komnyandu village in the valley, those who had vehicles complained that their car springs took a beating, whilst others just longed to earn a salary and, if possible, gain some sustainable work experience. All that changed in 2011 when the KZN Department of Transport agreed to upgrade the road, specifically using labor-intensive techniques. With their experience, Naidu Consulting was appointed to put together a suitable package, and working hand in hand with departmental officials, opportunities were maximized for the new emerging contractors as well as the workforce. The result was the awarding of 4 Grade 1 contracts through a tender process. Proper programming was of utmost importance to enable the staged letting of contracts as well as purchasing and control of materials. The community was kept involved throughout the process. Contractor number 1 cleared the vegetation and topsoil, returning later to trim the banks and spread the topsoil. Contractor number 2 was taught how to set out at 10-meter intervals using fish line, poles and a tape. Using the slotting method, the side cut and fill was first balanced before filling in between the slots along the center line, achieving a smooth vertical alignment. Contractor number 3 managed the drainage works, cleaning existing pipe culverts, inlets and outlets, and constructing headwalls and bolsters. The final contract was for the concrete brick surface. This entailed constructing edge restraints, placing the sand bedding, using leveling rails, and then laying the bricks. Almost all of the work was carried out on a task basis under the watchful NQF-trained departmental and consulting staff. The teams balanced so that the whole project moved forward at the rate of 10 meters per day. This enabled the contractors to accurately measure their daily profit, and the work proceeded at a steady rate. The only items of plant used were a pedestrian roller and an angle grinder for cutting infill bricks. The contractors were taught how to run their business profitably, while the workforce was trained in the various practical work activities, with lessons on health, hygiene and safety being given prior to the start. With their newfound skills, many of the workers have subsequently found employment in nearby construction projects. This is a road that the community built. This is a road that the community owns.